Hi, I'm from Sophos Support, and today I'll show you how to quickly migrate Sophos UTM objects into Sophos Firewall using the updated Sophos Migration Utility tool. In version 0.6, Firewall rules are now supported. For more information, check out the relevant documentation linked in the video description. Let's get started. The tool is a script that can be found on GitHub and must be executed within Sophos UTM. This means you need to download the tool and then upload it to the UTM firewall. Supported and unsupported features can be found here in the tool's description. Next, I'll give a quick overview on a UTM that's ready for migration. This firewall has some network objects that need to be migrated, along with 6 firewall rules. These rules have different concepts such as network groups, service groups, and even an any rule. Next, I'll demonstrate how to transfer these to Sophos Firewall. I've already uploaded and executed the script on the UTM firewall. Here, I'm using the tool MOBA Xterm, but you can also use other SSH tools. After running the script, you get an export.tar file on the Sophos UTM firewall, which must be downloaded and imported into Sophos Firewall. You can also work with different flags here, if, for example, you don't want to migrate firewall rules. More information can be found on GitHub. Next, in Sophos Firewall, you can now upload the export file. Go to Backup and Firmware, and click Import Export. Then click Choose File and upload the export file. This may take some time. The upload is processed in the background with no impact on the firewall's function. Once done, you'll find all the firewall rules have been added. By default, logging is enabled for these rules, allowing you to fully utilize the firewall. The UTM doesn't have zone objects, so the zone object is always set to any for these firewall rules. Here you can see this under the source and destination zones. You can also restrict the firewall rules using network objects. The service objects were also migrated with the corresponding groups. You can also configure additional security settings here, such as intrusion prevention, application control, or web filtering. Finally, all network objects from the UTM were also migrated. You can find them under Hosts and Services and use them fully here. I hope you found this useful. Relevant documentation for this tech vid is linked in the description. Go to the Sophos community to engage with Sophos experts and have your questions answered. And visit Sophos Techvids to learn more helpful tips and get the most out of your products.